Hey, what's going on, everybody? Out here. We're down at the shop, and I came down here because there's a killer chiller going on my car, so I stop in from time to time, and the car's almost done. But look at what I see in the parking lot here. This amazes me sometimes. You guys see that? That is a 19 Chevelle Laguna. Okay, this is an S3. This is a super rare car, guys. I almost never see them. And this one is in spectacular shape. Look at this. Now, the owner brought this car in because something happened with the distributor. I think they got to pull a distributor and fix it or change it and put a new distributor in it. So I can't run it, but I'm going to show you the car. It looks absolutely beautiful. Like I say, this is a Laguna S, and it's got a big block in it. So it's a very unique car. First thing that comes to mind for me was back, I believe, in the mid-70s or something like that. Benny Parsons in the NASCAR series used to win races with a car like this. This is really cool, guys. Let me show it to you. All right, guys, look at this. This is really something special. Chevy Chevelle. It's a Chevelle, but it's a Laguna. It's a 1972. I couldn't tell you if that paint job is a factory paint job or not with that two-tone. You see it there? How nice that looks. This is beautiful, man. Early 70s car. You know, muscle cars were dying at the time, but there was still some cool stuff around. And this is one of them. I mean, this is beautiful. This is a 1972 Chevelle. You can see it right there. Okay, still a Chevelle, but it's a Laguna S3. It's a special model. I couldn't tell you. I mean, it looks a lot like a Monte Carlo or something like that for its period. But the owner has got this thing looking sweet. Look at that cowl hood. And like I say, the paint job is beautiful. He's got really nice wheels on it. It's done. It's not overdone. I love the rear corner glass there that's got louvered, those louvers in it there. I don't know if it's factory or what, but it's a really nice looking car. Just couldn't resist doing this video because of how nice this car looks. Not something that you see every day. Last time I saw one of these, I was up in Walton, New York at their summer festival, you know, their fairgrounds, and there was another guy there that had a Laguna like this. And you know, this is a showstopper. This is a car that I would say is so unique that you just can't not stop and look at this car. You know, pretty much period specific. That little slot in the bumper is actually how you hook up the jack if you have to jack it up and change it, you know, put the spare tire on. Here again, Laguna S3. Very, very unique car, guys. I mean, I am really stymied over this one. This thing is really nice. You know, I don't know. This is a little bit before my time. I wasn't driving in 1972. But when I was a teenager, there was a lot of these cars around. And like I say, the owner of this car has got it done up so nice. He's got a big set of tires back there. Looks like a big set of Mickey Thompson ET Streets 295 65 15s. Big set of tires. Let's look in the interior. Well, let me get the light for you. Looks pretty much all stock, completely stock. It's almost like a time machine, but it can't possibly be original. But whoever did the seats and everything did a really good job. It looks very much original. And you can see, you know, he's got his race tack. So this car's got a big block in it. I'm sure it's making some power. It really is too bad that I can't start it for you. But maybe we can grab a hold of Dougie. We'll pop the hood and take a look under there. See what it looks like. All right, guys, so Dougie took some time to come out here and open up this hood. Because we're not really so sure how to do it, but we're going to give it our best shot. All right, so Dougie's got the hood open. Here we got the big block. Dougie, what's up? Why is this car here?
The distributor gear snapped on him.
Oh, really?
So he pulled the distributor out thinking he needed a new distributor and found out that the teeth were broken off.
Oh, shit.
And he did turn it over a few times, so instead of throwing a new distributor in and fire it up and possibly doing more damage, we're pulling it out. We're going to take it over to Daryl at HRE and have him go through and completely refresh it.
Yeah, that's too bad.
It's a built. I mean, I forget. He's got a full list inside, but it's a built. It's not just like a stock 454. It's a big.
Was it like
motor.
a 502 or a 5?
I'm not exactly
552. They got a 572. They got a couple of.
I
big
know
strokers.
he said engine dyno. Before it went into the car, it made just shy of 700 engine dyno.
Nice.
So it's a decent motor.
All right. Well, hopefully it's not too serious.
Hopefully not.
All right. All right. Thanks, Dougie.
Yep.
Really sweet looking ride, guys. We don't know how many cubic inches it is, but I don't know. I mean, this he's got big aluminum heads on it. It looks like a cast iron block. Big open plenum intake manifold. Single carburetor. Look at the what do they call that? A phalonic spacer to try to radiate the heat away from the carburetor. He's got his fuel pressure regulator there. I'm sure he's got something going on with the fuel system. Nice digital MSD AL6. Lots of cool stuff in here, man. Beautiful ride. Hopefully I get to hear it run when they get it back. Another cool car down here at FiveBar Motorsports. All right, guys, appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next one.